When your busiest time of the year comes to an end, it might be tempting to think there's nothing left for you to do with your vacation rental business. You may believe the demand of going on vacation has gone down and assume that you won't receive as many reservations as you want. However, you just need to adapt to receive off-season bookings. Every vacation rental has a different off-season due to location and local seasonal demand. So as a vacation rental owner, it's your job to define exactly what time of year your low season takes place and implement your off-peak marketing strategy accordingly. Being a dynamic digital marketing consultant, I would like to share some tips in this video to boost reservations and those all important bonus bookings, and let's get started. Define your low season. When does the low season start for your accommodation? When does your high season start? Do you have a mid-season? The answer to these questions will depend on the location of your property and the guests you host. A vacation rental in Aspen, Colorado will get most of its bookings during the winter months. So in this case, the low season will start the moment the snow melts. On the other hand, for a tourist home in Florida, the situation will be the totally opposite. The arrival of summer will mark the beginning of the high season. Your task as an owner is to know and clearly define the low season dates for your accommodation, because only then you will be able to implement an effective strategy. Adjust off-season prices. You can offer the promotions by offering your guests added value deals such as 3 nights for the price of 2 or a whole week for the price of 4 nights. You might find you are able to fill much more of your calendar than you originally thought. You can also include a percentage in a discounted deal such as 30% off. So this way it will be more appealing for travelers as they know they are getting a better deal. Moreover, it's a great way to market your vacation rental. Special deals are a great excuse to contact past guests or follow-up inquiries that did not turn into bookings. After all, everybody loves a bargain. Identify potential guests. Look at your past bookings and define the demographics of guests who prefer an off-season break. You might find it's a mix of seniors who want to escape the crowds of high-season tourists, couples looking for a romantic fall weekend getaway, or groups of active adults wanting to enjoy outdoor pursuits without the summer heat. So once you know who your off-peak target market is, how can you make your property appeal to those guests? Think about it. If you have a 6-bedroom family vacation home, couples are unlikely to book it, fearing they are paying too much for all that unused space. So consider closing off most bedrooms, then re-advertise your vacation rental as 1 or 2 bedroom home at a cheaper rate. Be aware of public holidays. Bear in mind that there are actually vacation days during the low season. In the US, Thanksgiving is a time when families reunite and celebrate. Additionally, 34% of US travelers said they were planning overnight trips for Thanksgiving 2023, while also revealing that the best time to book vacation rentals for Thanksgiving is mid-October. So be sure to have your listings and rates prepared before then. In the UK, for example, school kids have 1 week off in October. In 2023, it will run from Monday 23rd October until Friday 27 October in England and Wales, and from Monday 16th to Monday 23rd in Scotland. During this time, families like to go on a break with the kids, whether on a staycation or even abroad. Therefore, you actually have a peak season during your off season. Give reasons for guests to stay at your property. Give guests a reason to go on a vacation and, more importantly, to stay in your vacation rental home. Include activities travelers can do nearby, such as hiking, mountain biking, or fun activities such as pumpkin picking, suitable for all ages. So if you are situated in a city or an area where there are not as many things to do, offer your guests great restaurants, bars, cinemas, bowling alleys, etc. Research local events and festivals going on in your area and think outside the box with this one. Does your town hold an Oktoberfest celebration. Whatever you come up with, you can bet there's someone out there looking for the perfect place to stay. Be sure to include these in your listing when advertising during the off season. Update your vacation rental home and website. Take this time to reflect on your business and analyze how you are doing. Did you get as many reservations as expected? If not, why not? How can you improve in general and for the next peak season? Carry out an end of the year review of your vacation rental. Take advantage of this time by updating your website and vacation rental property, whether you need to do a renovation, buy new furniture, or simply add some new decorations. Promote features that would appeal to your out of season guests. Think of outdoor images that show fall leaves or a light dusting of snow, and interiors that highlight a cozy log fire, spice scented candles, a selection of board games and books, a wreath of on the door, or some hot chocolate warming on the stove. Make sure you add comfortable duvets in the bedrooms and scarves and hats by the front door. Activate instant bookings. Bookings for accommodations during the low season tend to happen at short notice. Usually